Welcome to our channel. Today we how to protect your system from malware with Kaspersky easy tutorial step by step clearly. Start by downloading Kaspersky from the official website. Open your preferred web browser and navigate to the Kaspersky homepage. Look for the download button prominently displayed on the website. Click the button to start downloading the installer. Once the download is complete, locate the installer file in your downloads folder. Double-click the installer file to begin the installation process. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the installation. During the installation, you may be prompted to enter your license key. If you do not have a license key, you can start with a trial version. After installation, open the Kaspersky application. You will see an overview of your system's security status. Click on the scan option to perform a quick malware check. Select either a quick scan or a full system scan based on your preference. Once the scan is complete, review any threats identified by the software. If any threats are found, Kaspersky will provide recommended actions. Choose to quarantine or remove the detected malware as needed. Next, ensure that your Kaspersky software is updated regularly. Check for updates by going to the Settings menu within the application. Enable automatic updates for real-time protection. Use the Save Money feature when conducting financial transactions online. This adds an additional layer of security to your online banking activities. Activate the Privacy Protection feature to safeguard your personal information. This helps block unwanted trackers and ads during your browsing sessions. To enhance your security, consider using a VPN service available through Kaspersky. This encrypts your internet connection and protects your online activities. Regularly back up your important data to mitigate potential losses from malware. Follow best practices for safe browsing, such as avoiding suspicious links. Keep your operating system and all software updated. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.